Alright, so in this one I'm going to teach you to not be like me with your radiator hoses. I recently had a video where I installed the 3.8 radiator, and I reused my stock hoses to do that. But if you are like me, um, your hoses are old and they're probably getting worn out. So what I have here, because I didn't want to wait for a nice silicone set or anything like that, is this is the just a universal straight hose.
Alright, so in this clip I messed up and I actually bought the wrong size. What you need is an inch and a quarter, and it's still the Gates Vulco hose, but the part number is 24020. That is the size that you will need.
What I am doing is so this is the kind of the front hose, and then you have this one where you've got like a little bracket that it's got a clip for some wiring, uh, and then this this back smaller coupler that's back here. So I'm not going to teach you how to get those off, because if you're doing this, you should be able to handle taking off some spring clips. So basically all I'm going to do is we're going to clamp a hose onto that side, and we're just going to run a straight section up to here, and then boom, done. Cheap replacement. Should be able to get just a straight silicone section, or you can do what I did. So I'm going to quick throw it in there, and once it's all done, I'll show you what I did for the length, and then you can just repeat what I did. Okay, and here we are. So basically the whole thing is installed, and I just got 1.5" T-bolt clamps, just because I like the way they look, and they give you a lot wider spot to clamp down in place. So we should never have to worry about those coming loose, and they look pretty nice. So I don't know if I'll be able to show you the length. Okay, so here's the best I can do. Basically that's at the end. I cut it about 22 inches long, and since this is just a straight section, what you'll have to do is when this goes on, you'll have to slide it onto this pipe because it's slightly larger, so you'll have to slide it a little bit further back, and then you'll be able to move this piece down and then put it on, tighten your coupler or your clamp, tighten your clamp, fill it. I've already filled mine, and I've already done the bleeding of the system, so it's all done. So there you go. This Gates hose, obviously I just rotated it so that white stripe is on the bottom, because it ruins the look of the car otherwise. So yeah, this was pretty cheap. This length, or I got a 3-foot length of hose, and it was about 30 bucks. Cut it down to 22 inches, put it on there, then you're done. Or you can get a silicone hose, same thing. So do this, don't worry about 2 hoses and 4 points of leaks. Do this instead.